So this is the question. Input a list of elements and search a given element in it. So at first what we will do, we are taking a blank list here. Then we are taking 5 elements from the user and we are appending all the elements to the list. So the input of list of elements part we have been done here. Now we are taking another number that we want to search inside the list. Here we are taking the number that we want to search inside the list. Then the step is very simple. We will use the membership operator. If m in L, all of we know the membership operator that we use in list. If m is present in the list, it will return you true and the if portion will work. And if m is not present in the list, then it will return false and the else portion will work. So it is doing the work for you. If m in L, it will be printed found, and if m is not present in L, then the else portion will work and the not found statement will be printed. So let us execute the code. Say I am inputting 1 2 3 4 5 and I'm searching the number 3, so found will be printed. And again we are inputting 1 2 3 4 5 and we are searching the number 7, then not found will be printed. Okay, so this is the code. Now tell me if anybody has to ask anything in the code.
Ma'am, we have to find out the index value, or then just we have to find that.
Only the if the element is present or not. If you have to found the index value, then some other function you have to use. Which function you will use? Tell me that. There are other function to print the index value of a given number that you have already learned in list. Membership function does not return the index value, right?
When find we can use.
Yes, you can use the find function. There you can print the index value also. So using that function, you can also do the program. And there you can print the index value of the first number that you have. Actually, there you have to print that the first index of the given number, because the index may be present, the number may be present in the list more than one times, right? But that function will give you only the first index, right? Now this code everybody have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am opening the list.ex program that I have already described to you in the
Ma'am, I
list
can send it
class.
in the group which program I have written.
Yes, you may send it in the group or you may send it in my personal WhatsApp, wherever you want.
Okay.
See, the index function. The index function will give you the index of a particular number. So you can use the index function, but you will be able to use the index function. I am going to the tuple also, because in the tuple I have given some extra syntaxes there. The same thing will work in list also. Where I had shown the
Ma'am,
ah
ma'am, in the PDF you shared, the find function is missing.
in the PDF I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
shared the code also. You go to the code, there the thing is there.
Ma'am, which code?
क्लासरूम में जो वीडियो दिया था ना मैंने लिस्ट पढ़ाने के बाद,
Yes, ma'am.
उसके साथ देखो लिस्ट का कोड भी है.
Yes, ma'am, मैं
लिस्ट
उसी की
का
बात कर रहा हूँ.
उसमें फाइंड फंक्शन तो होगा ना. Why the find function will be missing? This code I have shared only. So now, sorry, not the find function, the index function. The index function you will use. The index function you will use. Index function will do the find work for you. Here you want the index, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So the index function will do the work.
Okay, ma'am. That is there.
Okay. Okay. So my next question is go through the index function and find, see, there are two 32s, right? In this example, there are two 32s. Now, the index function will return only the index of the first value it is finding. Got it? So, what will be the output?
3.
The output will be 3. Now, my question is that this will all of you will try at your home. If there are the number is found more than one times in the list, then all the indexes will be printed. If the number is found more than one times in the list, then all the indexes will be printed. Say, in this case, if we want to try to find 32, then the output will be 32 is found in index number 3 and index number 5. This I want to see. Okay, and if the number is not found, then the number is not found statement will be printed. This is the question. So the question is, you have to input, all of you write down the question. I am creating the assignment also. All of you will try to do this assignment. Okay. The question will be input a list of elements find all the indexes of a given number. This is the question.
मैम ये गिवन है कि उसमें कितने टाइम्स वो नंबर आ रहा है 2
No. That will not be given. That you have to found. It may happen the number is not present in the list. This may also happen. Then also you have to print the number is not found. Got it? If the number is not present, then print not found. Okay, इसके साथ ये भी ऐड कर सकते हो, all the indexes of a given number along with the count, ये भी ऐड कर दो. मतलब अगर 4 टाइम्स है वो नंबर उस लिस्ट में, तो चारों इंडेक्स आएगा और ये भी आएगा द नंबर इज फाउंड 4 टाइम्स. ओके, गॉट द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन सबको समझ में आया है? हाँ बताओ.
एक चीज और रिमाइंड करवा दीजिए, वो पॉपअप फंक्शन में हम एक से ज्यादा वैल्यू हटा सकते हैं कि नहीं हटा सकते थे?
पॉप फंक्शन से एक टाइम पॉप फंक्शन के एग्जीक्यूशन में एक ही वैल्यू हटेगा. If you want to delete multiple times, then you have to use the function multiple times.
ओके मैम.
सबको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया है? Okay. So now all of you may leave the class and all of you will try the question positively to do the question. Okay. Thank you all.
थैंक यू मैम.